आपको बता दें कि दिल्ली में इस वक्त राहुल गांधी कांग्रेस उपाध्यक्ष एक कार्यक्रम में बोल रहे हैं। आपको सीधा ले चलते हैं।
Indian person. They are disrespecting and denying the Indian people their dignity. And we for one, all of us in this room, will never allow the Indian people to be disrespected. Not by anybody or anything. With what face does the BJP ban people without a certain education qualification from fighting panchayat elections in some of their states? With what nerve does the BJP place incompetent ideologues at the head of hallowed institutions? Why must all of India be subjected to the hateful mediocrity of Mohan Bhagwat on national television? It was precisely this kind of thinking that only some people have a monopoly on truth, on knowledge, that was used to enslave India. And it is this false monopoly on truth that Nehru fought all his life. This country belongs to everyone. This country belongs to any well-wisher who comes into contact with it. Even a guest who is in India for 3 days, for that period of time, he is Indian. She is Indian. And they are to be afforded the liberties and respect afforded to all of us. This negotiating over who India belongs to and on what basis is ugly and dangerous. It demeans us all, and we uniformly reject it. Thank you. I had prepared these words, but after listening to the discussion here, I'd like to end by saying one small thing. I've now been working in the Congress party for 10 years, and I was...
आपको बता दें, नो फ्रीडम विदाउट स्पीच एक कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया था दिल्ली में। यहां पर बोल रहे थे कांग्रेस उपाध्यक्ष राहुल गांधी और उन्होंने देश के माहौल पर बात की। उन्होंने बीजेपी पर हमला निशाना साधा, उन्होंने प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी पर निशाना साधा। उन्होंने कहा कि यहां पर सबको बोलने की स्वतंत्रता है, तो अगर कोई बोलता है तो उसके ऊपर जो टिप्पणियां आती हैं वो क्यों आती हैं। नो फ्रीडम विदाउट स्पीच एक कार्यक्रम है जिसको संबोधित कर रहे थे कांग्रेस के उपाध्यक्ष राहुल गांधी दिल्ली में।